I'm happy about it too.
Speaking of extraordinary women, so Reggae Girls captain and talismanic striker Khadija Bonnie Shaw is the CONCACAF Women's Player of the Year for 2022. The 27-year-old Shaw is the first Caribbean player to win the accolade. 4 years after helping Jamaica become the first ever Caribbean nation to qualify for a FIFA Women's World Cup, the Jamaican forward played a huge role in helping the Reggae Girls qualify for their second straight Women's World Cup.
So at club level with Manchester City in England, Shaw was equally prolific. During the calendar year 2022, she scored 15 goals in 19 Women's Super League games, 7 goals in 8 domestic cup matches, and 2 goals in 2 UEFA Women's Champions League games. Shaw's 3 goals in the knockout stage helped Manchester City claim the 2021-22 FA Women's League Cup. Meanwhile, Canadian and Bayern Munich player Alphonso Davies was named the Men's Player of the Year, beating Reggae Boys captain Andre Blake.
Yeah, big up, Bonnie.
Congrats, big up.
Yeah.
Yes.
She's doing some amazing things, man.
A woman time
She
now.
go on with her thing.
And forever. Yeah. You know, one time I used to want to play football.
Really?
I thought I was going to be really good at it, you know.
So why you never pursued?
Because when I watched my cousins, they always got injured. I mean, I didn't want anybody to kick me on my shin and those things, they were always falling, and I'm like, okay, if that's a part of it, is all right. But I was really attracted to women playing football.
I'm a different kind of person, though. I can't understand those things. You don't make accidents stop you from driving.
No, listen. The amount of injuries I saw my cousins have, and then what they had to go through, I was like, you know what? I don't have no time for that. So I just play like video games.
It's very different.
So I'm very happy to hear when my women are doing so well.
It's very different.
Sports,
very different muscles. Very different. It's very
different. But it still feels that little desire. I'm a football player.
I'm happy. It's always nice to see Jamaicans attaining a level of excellence, you know. And she's been doing it for a long time. And her personality as well is, well, let me not say that. I've never met her. But based on what I've seen, based on the really interviews that I've seen from her, and every time that I see her smile or speak, it kind of warms my heart. She has a vibe, you know.
Yeah, she has a beautiful spirit.
Yeah, there's a spirit, exactly. The same thing with Shelley and Fraser Preston. She has that kind of vibe. So there are a few that really are amazing.
Yeah, you know? I wonder if it's probably some, I can say it, whenever you see that kind of beautiful spirit being honored, right? It makes us feel good too. Yeah. Because yes, we like her, we see that she's trying, she's put out so much effort and such a wonderful personality. It's like you have honored us by honoring her. So that's how I feel. I feel really good. So Shelley, we're actually going to tell you about Shelley later. Yes. She got a big thing too.
Yeah, Khadija wave the flag high. So, you know, we're proud of her. We're proud of her. Big up yourself, Bonnie.
As you said, big up. You want to do the quick big ups now? You want to do them now?
We can.
Yeah?
We can.
All right. So, well.